Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing one of the character names from the famous TV series, Game of Thrones. This character was played by actor Ian Glenn. Well, how do we say this name correctly? We may pronounce it as Jorah Mormont, Jorah Mormont, Jorah Mormont, Jorah Mormont. As a former Lord of Bear Island and a knight, Jorah initially appears as an exiled and disgraced man seeking redemption. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Jorah Mormont, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.